Let's make this authentic and spicy puff-puff together using two methods of frying. Hello beautiful people, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my old and new subscriber, I love you guys. So let's get into the video. For this recipe, I'll be using flour, I'll be using sugar, I'll be using meat spice, salt, scotch bonnet, then yeast and warm water. So the first thing I'll be doing now is to combine all my dry ingredients together. So I'll add my sugar to my flour, then I'll add the meat spice, which is made up of cinnamon, all-purpose and nutmeg. So I just combine these three spices together. Then I add salt to it. Then the next thing I'm adding now is my scotch bonnet pepper. So for this pepper, I'm just using 2 tablespoons, or it depends on how spicy you want your puff-puff to be. Then after adding your pepper to it, then the next thing is to add your yeast. Then once you add your yeast to it, you combine everything together first. After I finish mixing all my puff-puff mix together, I start adding my warm water to it bit by bit. Then when you are adding your warm water, you mix your batter very well. You mix your puff-puff batter very well, as you can see me do in this video. The list of measurements and ingredients I use will be in the description box below. Please check. While mixing your puff-puff batter, your batter should not be too thick and your batter should not be too light. It should not be too watery, so that it will be easy for you to scoop. The consistency of what you are looking for is something that it will be easy for you to scoop. After that, you cover this and let this sit for about 30 minutes to rise, then before we start frying. Right now, my puff-puff has doubled in size. I'm just going to give it a quick mix together. Then I'll start frying it in my preheated oil. So you drop your puff-puff little by little into your preheated oil and you start frying your puff-puff. And you fry your puff-puff until it is golden brown. So the next method is to get a spoon. Rub some vegetable oil over the spoon. This to help you prevent some batter sticking over the spoon. Then you scoop your puff-puff batter bit by bit into your frying oil. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using the spoon method to fry your next puff-puff. So guys, if you enjoy my video, please like and share. And if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe and be part of this family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So that is the end of our puff-puff recipe. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself and thank you for watching. Bye bye.